was one of the best experiences I've ever had in my life because they explain everything to you with patience and completely.
It's given me a lot of knowledge, skill sets, patience.
Driven to think that I had a passion for it, and I was hoping to get this passion into a professional league.
And just seeing how far we have come in the last 3 months with the guidance of our chefs, seeing our strengths and weaknesses, I think that's one of the best parts so far.
So just few days ago, I did my trade test for Cipriani, which is a well-known brand in Dubai, and I got to learn a lot. And now I am about to graduate, and I'm very happy about my experience.
The chefs pushing us to our limits, us winning the bronze, the silver, the gold, basically the trophy. I didn't know that I could do it, but turns out we can.
I have no words to define how much love and respect is in my mind and is my heart for the chefs. They are the best.
My passion, my obsession, and now my profession. This is Nadia, signing off as a proud ICCA Patisserie graduate. Forever in debt, forever grateful. Thank you.